Oh my gosh, this is huge. Now I know what 20-foot ceilings mean. I don't think I've ever been in a room this big before. I mean, like a house.
Yep.
This is giving me a whole other experience of Vegas.
Yep.
I think I'm moving here.
Turn around. That's the house.
What's up, you guys? It's Graham here. So listen, I don't usually post videos like this that aren't 100% related to personal finance. But this was such an amazing moment that I wanted to share because after all, what's the point of diligent hard work, endless saving, and investing if you can't share those rewards with the people you love and care about? So here's the thing. Growing up, I never imagined a house like this. Both my parents were renters, we never had any extra space, and we never lived in anything extravagant. So being able to go from that to eventually something like this is an absolute dream come true. And it's so cool to be able to surprise my dad with a place that he could stay whenever he wants to get out of the city. And don't worry, I'm also going to be getting my mom's reaction to this too when it's all done, so that's coming soon. Anyway, as much as we enjoy talking about investment strategies, real estate, credit cards, building wealth, and personal finance here on the channel, it's important to remember what all of this is really for, because it's not just about watching numbers on a screen get bigger and bigger. Instead, it's all about the positive impact you can make on others, and that reinforces the motivation behind why all of this personal finance talk is worth it. So as usual, thank you so much for your support. I'm really appreciative to all the kind comments and like button smashing, and with that said, here's what you came for. I just told my parents I bought a home in Las Vegas, but besides that, they know nothing more. So I'm gonna start off by surprising my dad to see what he thinks. Enjoy.
Turn around. That's the house.
I thought it was around the block.
No.
Oh my, yeah, I was thinking, wow, whose house is that? And it's your house. That's really cool. Yeah, geez. I love how modern it is. Do you get to decide your landscaping?
So a lot of this is already decided.
It's already decided. You've
Yeah.
already picked it. Do you have a color picked out for your house? Is that the color? I mean, you can't color it like bright blue, and there are certain restrictions here, obviously.
Right.
This is cool.
Yeah, come on in.
Oh, wow. This is, it's okay. You drive your car. Here's your garage. Where's your front entrance? Right here?
Yep.
Okay, let's go through the front door. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. This is huge.
Isn't it?
I mean, huge is like an auditorium. I mean, seriously. Literally on that wall, this is a movie theater.
Yeah.
We could project on that wall the latest movies out. This room is just your family room with the kitchen and the living room. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's huge.
I know. So that's the pool. So that's what it's going to look like.
Oh, well, I'm definitely coming here more than I thought I was going to be coming here. Oh, wow. Yes, I'm coming here. Like, I think I'm moving here. You didn't tell me this is part of all of this. Wow, it's so cool. That's deluxe.
That's what it's going to look like.
Nice, nice. So when does that all take place?
It's going to be done by March.
March. So there's a couple of steps. House, then this.
Yep.
I don't think I've ever been in a room this big before. I mean, like a house.
Yep.
Now I know what 20-foot ceilings mean, if that ever. So I keep going to all your houses that you introduced me to. Every home gets bigger and bigger, but this is like the biggest.
Yeah. Well, this is less expensive.
Yes.
So.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So this kitchen will be, you're going to keep open? Are you going to put dividers up or anything going to come? Or is it just all one big area?
All one big area.
You could park a couple of cars in here. That's how big it is. Seriously. So here's your kitchen. So big fridge, obviously. So you have your sink in the middle then?
Yep.
And this will be your range, right?
Yep, right there.
Yeah, I like the arrangement here. And that's a pantry. Yep. That's huge. Holy crap. This is like a Xerox office right in a room right in here. You got storage, another desk. So obviously 2-car garage. Wow, tankless water heater. You'll have like constant hot water.
Right.
Instantaneously. I like the windows on the side of the garage. Let's light it. So garages don't always have to be dark. Yeah, I don't know. Do they help promote solar here? Because solar would be perfect here for energy. Something to think about.
Yeah.
Okay, so you come out of this room with 20-foot ceilings into 10.
Yeah.
Okay, so not your regular, okay. So this is the master. Wow, this is like the size of a regular apartment in Los Angeles. Only this is just that they charge like a ton of money for. But here we are in Vegas. This is beautiful. And you're gonna have the afternoon light because obviously the sun sets over here. Here we go.
So we got 2 closets on either side.
Okay, this is the master bath. Wow, and here they're just putting in the Kohler right now, right? This
That's tough.
is it one of the big standalone round ones?
The glass is gonna come out.
Yes, yep.
You have a sitting area,
Yep.
and then this is all the shower that opens up in the backyard.
Nice.
Oh, this is laundry.
It's huge. So this is gonna be Graham's office, Nevada.
Yep, Nevada.
Nevada.
I said Nevada, people got very upset. So
No,
you
I
gotta
know.
say Nevada.
You know what? You can blame me. Born and raised in Canada to a certain age. I think Canadians say Nevada, but
Yeah.
he got it from me, so blame me.
Nevada. Sorry.
Nevada.
Nevada,
It's
sorry.
Nevada, and that we need to be correct with that. It is Nevada.
Here is the new office. This is it.
Wow. Graham, this is really nice.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Yeah, I can't wait to see them all realized. Awesome. Yeah, this is the perfect place for your office.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Wow. Very nice. Look how quiet it is here. It's so quiet. I mean, the area is so quiet. Somebody forgot to put a new battery in the smoke detector. And then you have your studio over there, office here. You can like literally have people volunteer their roadsters and cars behind you. You film.
Yeah.
They could come and park their car there for a month, and then they get their car on your videos and whatever you want to do. That'd be great.
Yeah.
This is giving me a whole other experience in Vegas.
Yeah.
Seriously. It's way different than I thought. Now, ask me in 6 months when I've come here a couple of times and I'm in the pool or I've gone out golfing and I've lost a couple of $100 at the tables down on the strip, and I come back here, it's not gonna matter because this is so beautiful here. Graham, great choice, great decision, and I can't wait for this to be done.
Yep.
So yeah, cool.
Cool.
This is the best. I want to tell you, my sisters, Graham's aunts, I'm here and you're not.
Tell them to hit the like button. That's like
Hit the like button, guys. This video is a like. If you want to see Graham's new house, this is a like. Hit like right now. I'm hitting like in my head a million times. I can't believe this house, so hit like.
What about smash the like
Oh
button
yeah,
for the YouTube algorithm?
smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm.
Okay. Hey guys, I've just finished the tour of Graham's house. And you know what? You have to smash that like button. Smash it, because this is worth it. I have to tell you, I drove up here. I should be working back in Los Angeles. Took the day off to come up here to see a half-built house. I am totally blown away. So smash that like button. Okay.
For the algorithm.
For the algorithm. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, bye.
You're good.
So remember, like I said, the point of investing isn't just about making money, but instead, it's about the positive impact you can make on others and being able to share those experiences with the ones around you. Seeing how excited he was made everything 1000% worth it. And I'll be getting my mom's reaction soon enough when the house is done, so stay tuned for that. You got that to look forward to if you enjoyed this one. I'm sure her reaction is going to be just as good, if not better, so just wait. And really, at the end of the day, as important as it is to be frugal, live below your means, save money, and invest consistently, it's okay to spend money on things that add value and improve the quality of your life long term when you can afford them. It's what should motivate you to continue saving and understanding the benefits of learning personal finance, because over time things like this are possible, and while they don't happen overnight, it's absolutely achievable long term. Now, Bill Gates had an old saying that goes something like, most people overestimate what they could do in a year, but they underestimate what they could do over 10 years. And I think that definitely applies here. What you start today might not be very significant, but just learning a little bit more each and every day and improving yourself week by week is going to take you places you've never imagined before. And for me, that's taking me to Las Vegas. And of course, you know what they say. What happens in Vegas gets posted on YouTube. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to destroy the like button, subscribe button, and notification bell. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I post there pretty much daily, so if you want to be a part of it there, feel free to add me there. As on my second channel, The Graham Stephan Show, I post there every single day. I'm not posting here. So if you want to see a brand new video from me every single day, make sure to add yourself to that. And lastly, if you guys want 2 free stocks, use the link down below in the description. And Webull is going to be giving you 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 on the platform, with one of those stocks potentially worth all the way up to $1,600. So if you want those 2 free stocks, use the link down below. Let me know which 2 free stocks you get. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
Wow, this is like the size of a regular apartment in Los Angeles.